Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody that I'm trying to help do this tree is having trouble with left click. He said that if he left clicks it, the symbol changes the rotation marker. That's, if you left click it while you're on this item, sure, you're gonna get that. But if you left click and go over your color palette and go, don't left click, just select, and then left click up here and then right click your color of choice. So let's do that again. I'm going to left click with my mouse, no fill. I'm gonna right click in hairline, red. Jim, this just right here just will not work. I know you're the one that told me about the second video, but if you watch the second video, you'll see that it's a lot better. So that's what you're having trouble with, your left click, right click. You just need to select the item. If you stay on the item and you left click, you're gonna get that. And if you right click, you're gonna get like copy, and you could copy it. So just select it and then go over your color palette. And I can left click a fill and right click no outline. Anyway, I hope that answered that question. Thank you for watching.